my name is Krishna and welcome back to my channel. First of all, Happy Republic Day. I hope you guys are enjoying your holiday. We are going to have a long weekend. So I hope you're just chilling at home or enjoying your time out with your friends and family. That's what I am planning to do. So yes, I really hope you guys enjoy watching this video. And as you can see from the title of this video, this is something that I've never done before, which is doing a taste test. Now me personally, I love watching people eat on the internet. I know that sounds very weird and stalker-like, but like when people do taste tests and when they're trying out new things, I really love watching it. I really love watching their reaction and everything. So I thought, why not do something like that? So I am going to do a healthy edition. So I recently got some healthy snacks from Snackible.com. If you guys don't know what Snackible.com is, they are an online website that sells healthy snacks. So which I think is a great idea because we all love snacking, we all love munching something or the other. So instead of just munching on junk, why not try munching on something healthy? And as you can see, it is like filled with snacks. And actually I was kind of surprised because when I was ordering these on the website, the quantities seemed like they were quite less, but they are actually a very sufficient amount, which I'm very happy about. So yes, without any further ado, let's just get started with this taste test. Okay guys, so before I get started, I have a confession to make. So basically I'm recording this video on a Wednesday and I received the products on Monday. So I had like 2 days in between and I kind of ate or at least tried 2 different snacks. So except for those 2 different snacks, everything else I haven't tried them before. So they are going to be absolutely, like a surprise for me too. But let's just get started with the snacks that I already kind of tried because I already know how they taste. So the first thing that I already tried is this. So this is a whey protein bar. So this is a pro bar and the flavor is coconut cheesecake. So that really drew me to it. But the thing that it was called is cocoa cheesecake. So I thought it was going to be chocolate cheesecake and I got really excited because I love cheesecake and like chocolate cheesecake is really amazing. But it turns out that cocoa stands for coconut cheesecake and not chocolate. So yeah, anyway, this has coconut flour, honey, oats and whey protein isolate, and it has 20 grams of protein in this protein bar, which I think is amazing. And in total this is a 60-gram protein bar. So I'm just going to take it out. As you can see, there is very little left, like only this much is left, but like I kind of ate like most of it, like 2/3 of it. So I'm just gonna like take a small bite. So the thing is, I've already tasted this, so I know exactly how it tastes. And it does taste nice. It's not that bad, but like it's very drying, like the coconut flakes, like they just added coconut flakes in the oats. And like oats and coconut, they both are very drying. So that's the only thing I would say, that it is slightly dry, but the taste is not bad. So the second one that I already tried are these. So these are spiced ragi chips. Oh my god guys, these have changed my life. Like, can you guys see? I finished almost everything. This is so good. So it's iron rich, no MSG and high in fiber. So that's really good. So this is more like a healthier version of a chips because they are made out of ragi. And what I really like about this is that it's actually spiced. I mean, they don't just say that it's spiced, but it turns out that it's not really that spicy. This one is actually very spicy and this is how they look. And as soon as you put it in your mouth, it's very, very crunchy and you can like taste the spice. But as soon as you eat it, like you're done eating it, the spice kind of just goes away, which I think is just amazing. Like, I don't know how that happens. It's like a flavor sensation, like you just feel the sensation of the spice, but later it just goes away. And I think that's amazing. And and this is really tasty. Like for something that is healthy, it is so delicious that I actually like almost finished it in 2 days. So anyway, moving on, the next one. So after this, none of these snacks have been tried. So next we have the Snackible cream and onion whole wheat thins right over here. So this is crackers with a twist. It is high in protein and it has flax seeds and it has low sugar, which is nice. So the only thing, and it is fiber rich too, which is great. Now the only thing that I noticed about the brand is that they mention all the nutritions that they have. Like if they have protein, they'll mention it, like fiber, etc. But they don't really mention the amount of calories that are there in an individual packet. Like I would like to know the amount of calories or carbs that I'm taking with the snack, you know. So that's the only thing that is not mentioned here. Ziploc bag, so you can like open it and seal it anytime. So if you guys like the Lay's cream and onion, then I guess this should be similar to that. So this is how the chips look. So they are made out of wheat instead of maida or all-purpose flour. And yeah, I'm just going to try it on. Okay. Okay, I don't really like this one that much because the cream and onion topping on the top does not have a very nice flavor at all. It's almost like the cream and onion flavor is kind of very sweet. And the aftertaste kind of tastes like cucumber, which is actually not bad. But the initial taste, it's not something very enjoyable. So the next one is the pita chips in chili garlic flavor. Now I love garlic in a lot of things. Like I don't like the overpowering aftertaste of garlic that stays in your mouth. But I really love garlic flavored things. So this is how they look. Okay. And yeah. Wow. Okay. Like the immediate reaction, the immediate thing that I noticed is that the taste of garlic is too strong. Like it has a very strong garlic taste. I kind of have very mixed feelings about it because I don't dislike it like the cream and onion one, but it does have a very strong garlic taste that actually stays in your mouth. So I'm not very sure about that. I honestly don't know how I feel about that. I'm sure if I have it with a dip, I can eat it, but not something on its own because I don't like it that much. So the next thing that we have is another pita chips, and this is the herb and cheese one, and I'm very excited because, you know, it has two of my favorite things. It has cheese and it has herbs. I love herbs. And look at this. This is like a perfect triangle one. Like most of the pieces are broken, but this one I got a perfect one. So if you guys haven't guessed it by now, I love this one. This one is a definite hit. Oh my god, this is so good. So if you guys wanted to try some pita bread, I would definitely recommend this one over the chili garlic any day. This tastes so good. I can taste the herbs, but I can't really taste the cheese much. But it's okay, I'm fine with that. I'm sure it's there, I just can't taste it. So first we have the peanut butter and dark chocolate bar. So this has 10 grams of protein, healthy fats and no refined sugar, and it's 60 grams of content. Next we have the almond fudge bar. Again, this is high in fiber, healthy fats and no refined sugar, and this is a 50 gram content. All of the dark chocolate has just stuck to the wrapper. So I don't think that was a very good idea on their part. I think they could have just given it a better packaging because, like, can you guys see all the chocolate has just stuck to the top, and when I'm just, you know, peeling it off, oops, it kind of broke. So let me just taste it. Oh my god. Yes, it is exactly how I want it to. It tastes exactly like a frozen bar of peanut butter. That's exactly how it is. With some chocolate, which actually most of it has just stuck to the top layer, and I'm not going to even scrape because I'm not a huge fan of dark chocolate anyway. And this one doesn't have any refined sugar, which you will generally find in the grocery bought peanut butter jar. So in comparison to that, this one will definitely be a lot healthier than that. Now moving on to the last snack. So the last snack that I got from Snackible is another bar, and it's the almond fudge bar. It's a proper bar, hasn't been broken at all. So I'm just going to take a bite. Oh yeah, this tastes so good. So what I immediately noticed that the nuts, like the almonds to chocolate ratio is almost 50-50. So it's not like it's only full chocolate and then some almonds here and there. I'll like show you. Can you guys like see? So basically like the almonds have been, you know, crushed to very tiny pieces, and they have just been mixed with the chocolate and they have formed this bar. So I'm just going to quickly rank through all the snacks that I loved, because yeah, I think that's important. So the first one I loved is this one, the spiced ragi chips. I think I'm going to go with the almond fudge bar. This one is definitely number 2 for me. So number 3 is kind of a tie between the herb and cheese and the peanut butter bar. So the 5th position goes to this one, the cocoa cheesecake protein bar. Number 5 would be the chili garlic, just because the garlic is too overpowering. Like, I don't really enjoy that aspect of it that much. Ta-da! This one. I honestly don't even want to give this the last spot, because this does not have any standing in this ranking. I really dislike it. Before you go, I have a giveaway which will all be mentioned down in the description box down below, so don't forget to check it out. And yes, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please enjoy your long weekend, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!